What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to our channel. Today you're staring at the perimeter wall of Colbeck Manor. Sorry about the shaking. So yes, guys, so I was asked to give an update, well, a drone update on what is happening, and that's exactly what I'm here to do today. Thank you guys so much for leaving your comments. Thank you for making your requests, and like we always say, as best as we can, we will give you what you ask for as long as it's possible. So for those who have not yet subscribed, please go ahead, subscribe to the channel. Also leave your comments down below, share with a friend, like up the video so that these videos can reach to more people. And guys, we're not going to do much of a talking today. We're going to go straight up into the sky right now to show you guys what's happening on this side of the world. So this is Colbeck Manor in Old Harbour. It was requested for a drone view, so here you guys go. Hope you enjoy it. All right. thank you guys so much for taking the time out and making it Chrisams one more time. It's always a pleasure when we can grant a request. So don't be afraid to ask. It's either we can do it or we can't do it. But nevertheless, if you don't ask, you don't know. So anyways, guys, we catch you in another video. Thanks for watching. Remember to share it to somebody. Remember to like it. And we will definitely see you guys on the other side. So thank you. See you guys later. Bye.